Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Code. My name is Ashish. So last video we have seen how to perform CRUD operations, especially not all CRUD, the listing select part. And we have been able to render our data from database to our user interface. Next what we are going to do, we are going to insert, update and delete. So these are three pending operations: insert, update and delete, that we are going to complete in today's video. So, and yes, if you have still not subscribed to Let's Code, very first thing, please press on the bell icon and let's start. So I have my project already open. In case you have any confusion or any query, you can always refer back to the last video, previous video. Let me first stop the debugger and or let it run, and let me add first one button here on the top. So let's make it ready first. I'll add a button. I'll name this, say, href/contact add new. So this means in my contact controller I need to have an action method with the name add new, and I'll add new. Let us see if this button comes over here. Fine. So one typo is there, I'll just correct that. There are certain classes in Bootstrap, so since I am taking the default Bootstrap theme, I can use. So success is one class, button success, so that will make it in green color. Let's take this. Fine. So it will not work because we have not created the corresponding action method add new. So we will be doing that. Since it was running, I thought I'll do that. Plus we will add two more options for editing and deleting. So I'll not keep any header here also, and I'll make anchor tag href and edit, and similarly delete. So my UI is all set for CRUD operation. Just we need to assemble one by one everything. So very first step, let's try implementing the add new. So I'm going to stop it now. We need to create a view that will expose us some fields that we will capture from user interface. So I'm doing right click on my contact folder, add view. I'll name this view as, say, new contact. I'll remove the default thing. I'll keep just controller, main view, and rest things we are going to close now. Now in new contact, first of all, let me just create the table directory model, view directive I should use, and contact, and then table, and in table tr and td. So we had first name, so we already have seen how to create binded control. last name, and one last button for add new. So we'll keep it as submit button. Save. And one more thing is missing. I need to have a form tag using begin form, like where the data has to be posted. So save contact is my action method, and where in within contact controller, and form method is going to be dot post. We are all set for saving the data into database. Now what all things missing here? Save contact action method is missing, then this add new is missing. Okay, so very first thing I'll create public iAction result, and this we wanted to create add a new action method. So obviously you know, like we cannot use a special character, so I'll have to remove this and instead add new. But since from in our UI we have called that one, so action name I can keep this one. And it will return contact. I'll name this as model, blank object of contact, and then return view. So, and this view's name is not add new, so it's a new contact. So what I'll do, I'll just give the full path. So in short, name of action method is not same as the view name. Views contact, and then that's it. Our add new is all set. Let's see first of all if this opens a new page or not. No. So what I have done, I have changed it to anchor tag. Let's see if it is working with that. It works. So why it was not working with button, we'll see in a while. So this opens a new contact form. Now what I'll do, I'll just keep a back button, so that because we are now missing the navigation. So let me add a back button in new contact. href means like where contact / index back. So this will connect our applications view, and it is very important to have the right navigation. See, back, add new, back, fine. So our view is all set, and just we need to implement the save method. So here also we have written save contact, but this method is not present. Let me do that. So now in my action method, public iAction result. So you would have remembered, you would have now understood, like for everything we need to have an action method. Nothing can be performed without action method. any server side operation. Beauty of this here, it will bring the model class. So contact model, and what I need to do, I need to just database.contacts.add and database.save changes and return. After this I want to redirect to the index view. Which action method? Index, so that the list of contacts are opened again. Let us see. Add new. So I'll say the name as David Adam. And some phone number. So our contact is added. Edit and delete we are going to do in the next video. So hope you are able to understand like how to perform the insert operation or create operation. Very first thing, we created a link, we created a user interface that is capable of returning the input view. We created corresponding, in order to render the view we need to have the action method, and on the save, when the button save button is hit, we need to have corresponding action method. We got the data in our model, simply we used our entity class, added it, save change. So we have created save contact method that receives the data in the model, added that into collection, saved the changes, redirect back it to the main view. So it's completely functional. I'll upload this code also so that you can refer. And yes, if you have still not subscribed to Let's Code, please do that. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.